Click on the link below to get price. The HOMREST Pool Lounge Chairs set of 3 offers a blend of comfort and style, designed specifically for outdoor relaxation. As individuals seek ways to enhance their outdoor living spaces, this set of Wicker Chaise lounge chairs has come to the forefront as a potential addition for poolside lounging or patio enjoyment. At first glance, the lounge chairs present a modern aesthetic, featuring a woven wicker design that is both visually appealing and practical. The neutral tones of the wicker give these chairs the versatility to complement various outdoor decors, whether placed by the pool, on a deck, or in a garden setting. The set, consisting of 3 chairs, provides ample seating for social gatherings or family leisure time. One of the standout features of the HOMREST Pool Lounge chairs is their adjustable backrest. This allows users to find their preferred reclining position, whether they prefer to sit upright with a good book or lay back for a quick nap in the sun. The chairs are designed with comfort in mind, featuring thick, padded cushions that contribute to an inviting lounging experience. The cushion covers are removable, which aids in maintenance and cleaning, ensuring that the chairs remain in good condition for longer periods. The construction of these lounge chairs is notable, as they are designed to withstand outdoor elements. The metal frame provides stability, while the wicker weaving is not only stylish but also UV-resistant, indicating that it should hold up against sun exposure. This durability can be an important consideration for those living in sunny regions or areas with fluctuating weather conditions. When it comes to usage, these chaise lounges can be easily moved and rearranged, allowing for flexible outdoor configurations. Their lightweight design makes it convenient to reposition them as needed, whether for sunbathing or providing shade. Additionally, the chairs can serve dual purposes, functioning well for gatherings or simply as a serene spot for relaxation. In conclusion, the HOMREST Pool Lounge Chairs set of 3 offers a practical and stylish option for outdoor lounging. With features that prioritize comfort and durability, these chairs may enhance your outdoor experience, creating a cozy atmosphere for relaxation or socializing. Their adjustable design and removable cushions offer convenience, making them a notable choice for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor space.